Today, I'm going to talk about recovery coaching and exactly what a recovery coach does. A recovery coach provides non clinical assistance to help clients achieve their best life. You'll want to hire a recovery coach if you are someone who has completed a treatment program and you are ready to move forward with a sober lifestyle, and you need an accountability partner to help you stay the course. A recovery coach will help their client to design their new lifestyle, identify activities that will help their client to feel good about their life situation, and will help them to analyze their choices so that their actions become congruent with their desired outcomes. People in recovery often need someone to bounce their ideas off of to ensure they are on the right path and making good choices. My name is Barbara Wainwright. I'm the founder and CEO of Wainwright Global Institute of Professional Coaching. Check us out at wainwrightglobal.com.